That sky is incredible, eh? Oh, you'll see the rod bending too, mate. And then it's grab it. Oh! That was a proper bite. You saw that one.
Yeah.
So just reel it a bit. Reel it a bit. You got to keep the line tight. Uh-oh. You got snagged again. What an image, eh? Just with the drone and that sky. Just looks brilliant. This should be the money shot. How you going there, buddy? Reel it in. Was some big bites earlier. Quiet. Very quiet. It's not the day. I think it's just not the day. You ready, Louise? Get ready? No, not yet, not yet. Go! Come on, take it! One there. Far rod. Not yet though. Oh yes, go. Oh, we missed it. What's your rod?
I am trying to get
Go back, no.
Okay.
Oh my god. Might be a late bite time. Other one's not doing anything. Ah. Well, that would have been a hookup. That was, he really grabbed it and he just didn't hook up. So close. Give that one another few minutes and I reckon we send one more and that could be the spot. I will drop it where that one was because that hit the bite. Can we do it? Can we do it so late? The Hail Mary.
Shit. It like bent and then I'm like, oh!
Really? Wow.
And now it's nothing.
Let's just whack it back where it was. I think it's just taken everything. It could have been a shark or a mackie or something. Yep, everything's gone. We missed it. Whatever it was big. So it's just bending enough for us because there's no swell. It might be floating with a bait on there still.
Okay.
So we're just praying that something might still come through. This was the spot. We got 2 bites. Oh! Is it still on? Yep, you're on. This is definitely on. That's it, pull up, that's it. Now reel down.
Like that?
Yep, and then up. Yes! If he needs to go, let him go, but
How will I know if he needs to go?
he'll pull the line. Just keep doing what you're doing. Don't worry about your arms hurting. Just pretend that's not happening. This is your chance. Woo! Woohoo! Can't believe we're going to get one late. You feel any head shakes? Because I was.
No.
This might be a shark. Your first big fish. What's it gonna be? See those little paws? Do you feel that little head shake then?
No.
Ah.
I don't feel anything.
Keep going, he's on. Now why it went limp like that after he bit was because he was coming our way.
Oh, okay.
He wasn't going backwards. This is so cool. Let's hope it's a snapper. Keeping the line nice and tight, that's excellent. How's your arms?
They're not too bad.
Good.
My legs are jelly.
Oh, a little head shake then.
Oh, I felt that.
There you go. It's big, eh?
Yeah.
What have we got? You're doing really well. Oh, here we go. It's a snapper! Yes, you've done it! Reel in. We've done it right at the end. Yes!
Holy moly, it's
She's done it! Woo! 65 centimetres.
Thank you so much, Mum.
Check that out, Caden and Chloe.
That was
Beautiful snapper. Fantastic.